So now we are done with the plus, okay, and it is coinciding with your adjacent all the center pieces, okay. Now once you are done with the plus, the edge pieces, now what we are supposed to do is we have to do the corner pieces now. So this, if you see, this are not correctly placed. So after placing the corner pieces, it looks something like this. These are the corner pieces which are correctly placed. For example, red and blue. So this is red, blue, white. So like this it is supposed to be there. Now to solve a corner pieces, we need to check, just turn it upside down, okay, and now check for the corner pieces over here which has white in it. So okay, so because we're supposed to place it over here, so just search for some piece. For example, this one over here, okay, so it has orange, green and white. So we need to search for orange and green plane. So it is over here, orange and green, okay. So now move this orange and green and place it in between this orange and green. Right now you don't have to worry about orientation of this corner piece, that's not an issue. Just bring it in between orange and green. So it is over here now. So we need to perform the same algorithm which I taught you before, R, U, R prime, U prime, till this falls over here, okay. So we need to hold it like this. This is on the right side and this is orange, this is green. This you don't have to worry, and just perform R, U, R prime, U prime, okay. Still it is not placed properly, still it is not placed correctly. Hold it the same way. Again repeat the same thing, R, U, R prime, U prime, okay. Still it is not there, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now it is correctly placed, and so on we need to do other corners, okay. Now if you see this corner, it has red and blue. So if you see here, this is red and blue, okay. So place this corner piece over here, okay. Don't worry about the orientation of this cube right now, okay, and perform the same algorithm again, okay. This has to be here. So R, U, R prime, U prime. So this time only in one attempt it has come here like this. Now search for another pieces. If it is not there, and if it is something like this over here, then what we are supposed to do is bring it up, okay, like this, okay. Push it away and bring this down, okay. So now we are not disturbing this layers. Now this has orange and blue, so get it in between orange and blue. So like this is orange, blue. Don't worry about the orientation over here, and just perform again, R, U, R prime, U prime. Is it correct? No. So again, R, U, R prime, U prime. Is it there? No. So again, R, U, R prime, U prime. And now it is correctly placed. Okay. So now we have another one, red and green. Okay. So now just place it between red and green. Okay. This is red and this is green. This is a corner piece. Now what we are supposed to do, perform the same algorithms, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and it is placed over here. And now we are done with the white layer, and white layer is done with the corners same how we had done. Okay. Now after doing the first layer, this is coinciding, and now we need to fix the edge pieces of the second layer. Okay. So after solving it, it looks something like this. Okay. So here if you see, all the edge pieces are correctly placed. Okay. So let's do that. For that, just turn the cube upside down again. Okay. And here search for the cubes which has two colors, the edge pieces which does not have yellow. Like for example, if you see this one, this has yellow. So this is not gonna be over here. Okay, so search for the edge pieces which does not have yellow. So for example, in this case it is this one. Okay, now just match this center piece with the coincide. This is not coinciding, so correct this and okay, so now this is coinciding. Okay, now what we are supposed to do is, if this has to go towards this side, means left side, then we need to push this away. Okay, so push it away and perform this algorithm. Okay, which one? L prime, U prime, L, U. Okay, this much, and shift this also away. Okay, the other side, and hold it like this and do R, U, R prime, U prime, and this is placed correctly. Okay, now the same way search for another one. For example, if we see this one, okay, orange and blue, if it was somewhere here, just match this orange with the center pieces. Okay, now if this has to come this side, right side, what we are supposed to do? Get this away from this side. So this will be away. Okay, this is away, and perform R, U, R prime, U prime. Now turn the cube this side. Okay, and this way just do L prime, U prime, L, U. You don't even have to do the last one, and it will be done. Okay, so search for another one. This is orange and green. So if we put it here, match this with the center pieces, something like this. If this has to go this side, means if this has to go left side, this piece, the edge piece, has to go away. Okay, so push it away and do L prime, U prime, L, U. Turn it this side, and then this side do R, U, R prime. U prime is not even required, but still it will be done. Okay, now this is a scenario where this is the red and green. This has to come here. So same goes, push it away this side, and then do R, U, R prime, U prime. Turn the cube towards left side, and then do L prime, U prime, L, U, and this is done. Okay, so now this solves your first two layers. Okay, just like how we had done. Okay, so just in case if you get a scenario like this where you don't find any edge pieces in the first layer, you find the edge pieces stuck over here. So how do you do that time? Just take any edge piece and it will act like a dummy, and this will come over here. So automatically this will come out. So in this case, if we are planting this here, so this will go away, and then R, U, R prime, U prime, shift it away, L prime, U prime, L, U. Okay, so if you see, this is automatically out in the first layer. Now we can repeat the same thing, match it with the centerpiece like this, and this is red, so this has to come here. So this will go away, R, U, R prime, U prime, shift the cube, L prime, U prime, L, U, and this is done. So this solves our first two layers.